Before buying Pipes.AI, there are 7 crucial things you need to know that could completely change how you view automation software. If you're considering this platform for your business, make sure you stick around till the end, because I'll not only break down its key features, but I'll also compare it to competitors, helping you make an informed decision on whether it's the right fit. First off, Pipes.AI is all about automating your workflow, but the question is, how does it compare to other automation platforms like Zapier or Integromat? Unlike those tools, which offer a more generic approach to automation, Pipes.AI is specifically designed to integrate seamlessly with a wide variety of marketing and sales tools, making it a solid choice for businesses that rely heavily on automating their customer journeys, lead generation, and CRM workflows. Whether you're running email marketing campaigns, managing sales leads, or working with social media automation, Pipes.AI centralizes all of your processes in one place, saving time and boosting productivity. Next thing to know, Pipes.AI offers an intuitive no-code interface. This is a huge plus for those who are new to automation, but still want to take full control. The drag-and-drop functionality allows you to set up automated workflows without needing technical knowledge. If you've used other tools like Zapier, you'll quickly realize that the learning curve for Pipes.AI is much more accessible, which is great if you're not a tech expert. The third thing to consider is its scalability. Whether you're a small business or a larger enterprise, Pipes.AI is built to grow with you. It has flexible pricing options, which means it can fit into your budget as your needs expand. This is a major difference when compared to other platforms, where pricing can become quite rigid as you scale. For example, Zapier's pricing can get expensive once you need more complex integrations, while Pipes AI gives you better flexibility in this area. The fourth thing you should know is that Pipes.AI offers powerful analytics and tracking. Unlike competitors, which only offer basic insights into your automations, Pipes.AI provides in-depth analytics that allow you to understand exactly how your workflows are performing. This helps you optimize your campaigns and make data-driven decisions to improve your business outcomes. Next up, Pipes.AI has a library of pre-built templates. This means that even if you don't have time to create your own automation from scratch, you can quickly implement a template designed for your business. These templates are optimized for marketing and sales, which makes them a huge time saver. Compared to tools like Zapier, which may require more manual setup, Pipes.AI's pre-built templates make it much easier to hit the ground running. The sixth thing is that Pipes.AI is highly secure. In today's digital landscape, security is a top priority. And this software is built with robust encryption and compliance protocols, keeping your business and customer data safe. Unlike some of its competitors, which have faced security issues in the past, Pipes.AI invests heavily in keeping your workflows secure and your data private. Finally, the seventh thing you need to know is that Pipes.AI is a great value for the money. Many automation tools charge you based on the number of tasks or workflows you run, but with Pipes.AI, you're getting a more predictable pricing model. You can plan your budget ahead of time without worrying about hidden fees or extra charges for using more tasks, something that can be a pain point with other platforms like Integromat or Zapier. If you're thinking about giving Pipes.AI a try, don't miss the chance to test it out completely free. Check the first link in the description below to get access to the best free trial and even some exclusive benefits. This could be the automation tool that transforms how your business operates, so give it a go.